Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I share with you how to make vegetable soup with spinach and kale. This is mostly for those who are not in Nigeria. You preheat your oil and go in with some onions. Fry for 2 minutes, then you go in with your blended pepper mix and keep stirring. Stir it for 5 minutes, then you can see how it looks now. When you notice that it is well fried, you go in with your blended crayfish, your stock meat and whatever rishi that you are cooking the food with. You can add with pomo, your sliced pomo, whatever you want to use. This is the time to add everything. Go in with your spices, your maggi, your crayfish, whatever you want to add more, you can add it now. I already added the crayfish. Whatever you want to add, you add and make adjustments. Finally, you add your kale first so that it will cook, and then you add your spinach. I'm adding kale first because it's a little tougher. You add it first to soften it a bit, then you add your spinach, and voila, your food is ready. So before you add the vegetable, it was not shown because of camera. Before you add the vegetable, you allow the other ingredients to cook a little bit. Thank you guys for staying tuned on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe into my channel.